Welcome to FTQ360. This short Getting Started video is going to walk you through setting up your password and logging into the software. Check your email inbox for an invitation from FTQ Notifications. This invitation includes your username along with a link to set your password and login. When you click the link in the email, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Type your new password into the fields on the screen. It'd be a good idea to write down your username and password so you don't forget it. When you're ready, click the Submit button. When the password is set, the login screen will load and you can enter your username and password to get started. The first time you log in, you'll be prompted to read and review the user agreement and confirm your full name and company. Click Agree and you'll be on your way to conducting your first inspection. You have several choices to access FTQ360. You can go to the website FTQ360.net in your Chrome or Safari browser and conduct your inspections online. However, it's important to use Chrome or Safari rather than any of the other browsers out there. Or you can use the FTQ360 app on your mobile device, such as your phone or tablet. To download the app, go to the App Store and search for the FTQ360 mobile app. When you first log in, you'll see a list of project names. You can scroll down to find your project or use the search field in the upper right corner to type the project name or number and filter the selection. Select your project by clicking on the project name. Next, you'll see a list of check sheets. These are the templates with questions you'll use during your inspection. Find the checklist you'll be working with by either scrolling down the page or typing the name and number in the search field to filter the list. When you find your checklist, click the title to load the template. Now you're ready to start your inspection. This video is going to walk you through the steps to conduct an inspection using the FTQ360 software. You've opened the checklist to begin your inspection. This blue section here is your header information and displays the checklist name, the project, and the responsible party. You can change the due date if needed, and add general notes if you'd like. The inspection ID number, the inspection date, and the inspector name also displays in this header. Scroll down and you'll see line items with instructions. We call these checkpoints. You can type answers in the observation fields, such as the name of the quality control engineer and drawing set version number. Some checkpoints contain evaluation buttons for you to use when inspecting the completed work. FTQ stands for First Time Quality. That means the work was done right, it's 100% correct. The Fixed button means the work had an issue, but it's fixed now. There's no follow-up required, but you still want to recognize that quality control was required. The OPN button is used when there is a deficiency or issue that requires follow-up. OPN means open, or there is an open issue. You'll use the OPN button to create a punch list. You can type notes in the observation field and add photos by clicking the camera icon. When you click the camera icon, you can choose the photo to snap a photograph using the device camera, or choose File to select a photograph from the device's camera roll. When you take a photo, it becomes part of the official inspection report. Now keep scrolling down, and you'll find this checklist also includes a dynamic checkpoint button, which allows you to insert a set of checkpoints only when you need them for an inspection. So, for example, if you're going to inspect the earthwork and shallow foundation activities, click the button to insert those inspection checkpoints. Now you have those line items only when you need them. Let's scroll back up to the top. You can jump to a specific point in the checklist by clicking the Table of Contents button in the header. This will display a new menu that allows you to see all the section headers and select the one you want to jump to. This will save you from having to scroll up and down through the entire checklist to find a specific section. Finally, notice the buttons in the footer. Here you can print the inspection PDF or email the whole inspection or specific open issues. Now you're ready to start your inspection.